Hey there everyone, welcome to my first introduction to Python programming language. My name is Purnima. I am going to be your instructor in this series. Well, in this series I am just going to give you a quick introduction about what is Python, what you can do with it and why is it so popular. Well, the Python is one of the world's most popular programming language. The language is not just popular among software engineers, it's popular among it's being used by data analysts, software engineers, mathematicians, scientists, accountants, and network engineers, and even by the kids because it is very beginner and friendly and user friendly programming language, and it makes it very simple for even for the kids also to learn. And then it's very beginner programming language. It's being started. So people from different discipline use Python. Used Python for variety of tasks, different tasks such as big data, visualization, artificial intelligence and machine learning. In fact, it is being used in automation as well. Say suppose if you are bored doing repetitive tasks over and over again, such as copying files, folders around one by one. Seriously, it's quite tedious process over and over and renaming the file and uploading the files to servers. To overcome this problem, simply you can write a Python script to automate your work, and by doing this it saves your work, time, and you could optimize the work. Right. Python is multi-purpose programming language. Using Python, you can build mobile apps, desktop apps, testing, and hacking. So, in a nutshell, you could say that Python is a multi-purpose programming language. Well, you may have the question running in your mind that why only Python? Why not other programming language? Here there are few reasons to use Python. Python comes with an extensive libraries. It comes with a regular expression, unit testing, web browser, CGI, threading, image manipulation, and email. When you download Python, by default it comes with an extensive library and it contains code for various purposes. So we don't have to write the complete code manually. We could make use of this extensive libraries and you could do the work done in simple way. And it improves productivity. When you say productivity, you do not need to spend too much time in understanding the syntax or behavior of the programming language. You just write less code and get more things done. Well, I will show the example in the next coming slide. Yeah, it's quite simple and easy. When you say it's simple and easy, when you see in the C programming language, you'll have to define the function, and then inside the function you'll have to print hello world program. See, to print one hello world program in the C programming language, you'll have to write multiple lines of code. Whereas in Java, you'll have to define the class, and then you'll have to write this many lines of code in Java, whereas in Python it's just one line of the code to just print hello world program. With this one line of code you could just print the hello world program on screen. That's it, your job will be done. Right? Solves complex problems in less time with just fewer lines of code. Yeah, and Python is an interpreted programming language. We all say that it's an interpreted language since statements are executed one by one, and it makes debugging easier than in compiled languages. See, in Python the code is executed line by line, right? In case of any error, it stops the further execution and throwbacks the error where the error is been occurred, right? So with this, in a overall, to say in a nutshell, Python is multi-purpose programming language with simple and beginner-friendly syntax. Yeah. So if you're looking for a job and the Python is Found this video helpful? Please support my hard working by liking and sharing it for others. Also be sure to subscribe my channel. Catch you in the next video. In the next series I'll be explaining you how to download and install Python software on your machine. To play around with the code, you'll have to make your hands dirty to learn any of the programming language. Thanks for watching the codes. See you in the next series.